Now students of GPST are going to dining. All are second year science student. This is the time of lunch time. Now all the boys are looking very hungry. They are excited to take the delicious veg item, paneer, potal curry. Omkar Pradhan is looking very much hungry. Okay. Gaurav has no smile at all. Punya Slok is incapable to walk. Sthiti is looking very cheerful. Our Rudra is very much excited for the lunch. Swagat